Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this pool is about right here, and basically what these are some night lights. So essentially plug this into your wall to generate power on here. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this one is like a warm white color. They do have some that's like just bright white, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that it comes in a pack of 6 of these. And they're all the same thing, so I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see it's all nicely packed and everything. Let me actually open this up. Alright, so you see that once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So throughout the product right here is basically where the light will light up, and right here is a sensor. So basically once you guys plug in the product in the back right here, this will actually start working. And if it senses like brightness or light shining on here, then it actually will stay off. But once the room gets dark, this will actually activate by itself because it has that sensor that's built in, which is pretty nice. And then probably one of the cool things about this product is the fact that the way how to design it, it actually fits the outlet perfectly. So that way if you guys want to use the outer outlet above or below it, it definitely still works. And for this product, it doesn't use a lot of electricity. It actually uses very, very little, which is pretty nice as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go plug this in and show you guys how to use it and when it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the night light right here. Let's plug it in and test it out. Alright, so you can see that once we plug it in, it definitely turns on because it's pretty bright. But if I shine a light on it, you can see how it turns off. But once I let go, it turns back on. So basically once it senses darkness, the light will turn on. And once it senses light, it starts to turn off, if I can see. So the product definitely does work as a night light. If you can see, it actually works really, really well. And welcome back, guys. So now you guys want to test our product, you can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you're going to do is just plug in the product and just let it do its own thing. Like I mentioned, once it senses darkness, it turns on, but once it senses brightness, it will stay off. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a night light that's not like super bright, like the bright white color. If you guys want like a warm white color, then this one is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.